If you're looking for the best programming courses on Coursera, you're in the right place. Whether you want to learn Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, or general computer science, Coursera offers beginner-friendly courses from top universities and leading technology companies. Before we get started, if you're planning to complete multiple programming courses, check the discount link in the description. Coursera Plus can save you money compared to buying learning programs one by one. If you're completely new to programming, Duke University's Programming Fundamentals is one of the best places to start. It introduces core programming concepts, algorithms, problem solving, and computational thinking without assuming any prior experience. If you want to learn Python, Meta's Programming in Python is an excellent beginner course. It covers object-oriented programming, debugging, data structures, testing, and practical programming skills that are useful for software development. For learners interested in Java and computer science, Princeton University's Computer Science Programming with a Purpose is another outstanding choice. It teaches programming fundamentals while helping you build a strong understanding of algorithms and software development. If web development is your goal, Meta's Programming with JavaScript is a great next step. It teaches modern JavaScript, object-oriented programming, and front-end development concepts that are widely used in today's job market. And if you're looking for a complete software engineering pathway, you can continue with professional certificates and specializations covering Python, Java, C++, cloud computing, web development, and software engineering from universities and companies like Microsoft, IBM, Duke University, and the University of Michigan. The only downside is that paying for individual learning programs can become expensive as you continue learning different programming languages and technologies. That's why I usually recommend Coursera Plus. Instead of paying separately for each program, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs from over 350 leading universities and companies. You can earn unlimited certificates while your subscription is active, making it the best value for anyone serious about learning programming. If you want to check the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find the link in the description below.